Unpredictable lead times, hidden structural defects, or lack of real-time process transparency. For an engineer, these aren't just issues, they are the risks that break innovation. Welcome to the JLC Smart Factory. Here, decades of engineering expertise meet data-driven precision to create high-speed manufacturing infrastructure. By integrating advanced automation with real-time analytics, we ensure your designs move from prototype to mass production with consistent, verifiable efficiency. Every project at JLCPCB is integrated with its own digital twin. Our system catches potential defects in simulation before they ever reach the floor, ensuring that what we build is exactly what you design. This digital intelligence drives our proprietary algorithms. Every day, our system intelligently synthesizes over 20,000 global orders, grouping hundreds of diverse designs onto a single panel in real time. By maximizing panel utilization, we don't just reduce waste, we pass that massive efficiency directly to you as cost savings and speed. Now that we've covered design, let's look at the sheer hardware capability on the manufacturing side. To meet the demands of high-density routing and advanced packaging, we've pushed the limits of our drilling and metallization processes. Today, we can achieve ultra-fine bias as small as 0.15 millimeters on a 2 millimeter thick substrate. This high aspect ratio capability allows us to reliably support complex designs with up to 32 layers, making it a perfect fit for the latest generation of advanced compact electronics. But precision drilling is only half the battle. The quality of the copper plating is what truly defines interconnect reliability. That's why we've implemented pulse VCP, or vertical continuous plating. By using precise pulse current control, we ensure consistent and robust plating within every single microvia. This synergy between precision drilling and pulse plating significantly pushes the design boundaries for high-layer PCBs. Even in the most challenging high aspect ratio architectures, it guarantees absolute stability for every vertical interconnect. After etching, every layer passes through our AOI system. With high-speed optical scanning, it captures the finest details of the circuitry, identifying microscopic defects and ensuring the structural integrity of every trace before moving to the next stage. AVI is the final line of defense. It performs a full checkup of the finished bare boards, focusing on cosmetic quality and final details to ensure the product meets our delivery standards for our customers. In high-layer board production, this setup creates a reliable inspection loops. It helps maintain quality standards from high-density designs, from the internal layers to the final surface. For final electrical validation, we use flying probe testing. The probes move with high-speed precision, verifying every net against your original netlist. By testing continuity and isolation at the fine pitch resolution, we guarantee that the electrical performance of your board is as flawless as the design itself. Next, CNC routing brings the design to its final form. Driven by digital precision, our high-speed spindles trace every contour with a tolerance of 0.1 millimeters. This ensures reliable dimensional accuracy and a clean, professional finish ready for assembly. Efficiency is synchronized. Our autonomous AGV fleet is the pulse of the factory, seamlessly linked to our MES system. By retrieving components from our massive smart warehouse and delivering them to the SMT lines with zero manual intervention, we've turned traditional logistics into a high-speed digital flow. Precision starts at step 1. Our advanced printing systems apply solder deposits with rigorous control over volume and alignment. To ensure total accuracy, our 3D SPI system generates a volumetric map of every pad, verifying height and shape against your CAD design to catch potential defects before they reach the reflow oven. Massive scale meets extreme agility. Our facility houses hundreds of high-performance SMT machines working in perfect unison. Whether it is a single prototype or large-scale orders, our sheer capacity ensures your project's rapid turnaround without sacrificing precision. For complex assemblies, we employ selective wave soldering. This technology allows for targeted precision soldering individual through-hole components without affecting surrounding SMT parts. Controlled by advanced software and protected by nitrogen, it guarantees high reliability joints for even the most dense and challenging PCB designs. Our inspection isn't just a filter, it's a real-time feedback loop. The AOI systems talk back to the assembly machines, dynamically correcting process parameters to prevent defects before they repeat. Powered by deep learning models trained on millions of data points, our inspection systems distinguish between real flaws and minor variations with superhuman accuracy. The intelligence concludes with our automated fulfillment system. By scanning and sorting thousands of orders simultaneously, we eliminate human error and ensure your project moves from our line to your doorstep with unmatched speed. JLCPCB is more than just a manufacturer. It is your production backend engineered for reliability. We've automated the complexity so you can focus on the engineering. From prototype validation to high-capacity scaling, our facility is built to deliver your designs exactly as intended. Reliable, scalable, transparent. Start your next project with JLCPCB.